We have done it. We have hit 1,000 subscribers. Yes, the day has come where we have reached 1,000 subs to this channel, and it's still kind of hard for me to believe. Think about it for a second. If you had 1,000 people in a room, that's pretty impressive. And I can't thank you enough for watching the content. We even have a couple of Patreon supporters now, which is amazing. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give away 2 ANET A3 3D printers. Because of shipping costs, one will be available to everyone here in the US and the lower 48, and the other one will be for everyone else internationally. As always with my giveaways, you have to have been one of the first 1,000 subscribers to be able to win. So the first link below will be for everyone here in the lower 48 in the US, and that will give you a chance to win 1 3D printer. If you're the winner, I'll pack up my personal ANET A3 and ship it to you free of charge. There'll be a second Gleam link below for everyone outside the lower 48. If you're the international winner, I will buy an A3 from GearBest and have them ship it to you directly, no charge. Both winners will get the usual Chris's Basement swag as well. Both giveaways will run for 1 week. At the end of that week, I'll let the Gleam app pick the winners. I will verify the winner is one of the first 1,000 via email, and if you are, you will be receiving a 3D printer on me. A big thanks to all the subscribers and anyone that watches the videos, and to the content creators here on YouTube that helped me achieve this goal. I'm really excited about this achievement, and I can't wait to see what the future brings for this channel. Good luck to everyone that enters the giveaway, and as always, thanks for watching.